Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial on how you can convert your personal Instagram account to a creator account. So to convert your account, sign into your account and go to settings under more menu. Here go to account type and tools. Now click on switch to professional account. Here select either a business account or a creator account. Since I'm a content creator, I'm selecting creator and then click on next. Here click on next again. Now search and select a category of your choice and click on done. And then click on continue. Now it's letting you know that your Instagram creator account is ready. Then just click on done. Now your personal Instagram account has just been converted to a creator account. And you can go to professional account to add your contact info so that people can get in touch with you. And this is how you can convert your personal Instagram account to a creator account. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.